अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ जियोग्राफ़ी के सेकंड चैप्टर के नोट्स शेयर करूंगी। ये नोट्स जो हैं ये बहुत ही आसान ज़बान में बनाए गए हैं और उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को इन्हें प्रिपेयर करने में बहुत ही आसानी रहेगी। तो चलिए आइए सेकंड चैप्टर से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सेकंड चैप्टर है आपका माउंटेन, प्लेट्यूज़ एंड वैलीज़। और इस चैप्टर के स्टार्ट में लर्निंग फोकस में कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं। तो ये क्वेश्चन जो हैं ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं और इस चैप्टर के अंदर इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को कवर किया गया है। और बाज़ का जो पेपर है उसमें भी यहाँ से इन लोगों ने क्वेश्चन दिए हुए होते हैं। तो चलिए आए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 2, माउंटेन, प्लेट्यूज़ एंड वैलीज़। व्हाट आर माउंटेन्स? A mountain is a high landform. It rises to peak above 600 meters. What are different type of mountains? 4 type of mountains are formed: fold mountains, block mountains, residual mountains, and volcanic mountains. Fold mountains. Fold mountains are formed when two tectonic plates collide. Rocks bend and fold because of pressure. This process is called folding. Folding takes millions of years. Many fold mountains together form a mountain range. Examples are Himalayas, Alps, Andes, Rockies, and Urals. Block mountains. Block mountains are formed by faulting. Faulting occurs when Earth's crust develops fractures. Rocks move because of compression. The raised block form block mountains. Block mountains have a flat top called horst. Pakistan and fault lines. Pakistan lies on the Indian and Eurasian plates. Their movement creates fault lines. Major faults are Chaman Fault, Peb Fault, and Main Mantle Thrust. Residual mountains. Residual mountains are formed by weathering. Soft rocks wear away first. Hard rocks remain behind. The hard rocks are called residual mountain. Examples are Girnar Hills, Nilgiri Hills, and Saira. Volcanic mountains. These are formed by volcanic eruption. Magma rises through cracks in the earth's crust. It comes out as a lava. Layers of lava cool and pile up to form a volcanic mountain. Examples are Mount Fuji, Japan, and Mount Rainier, USA, etc. Our next question is how Himalayas is formed. The Indian plate moved towards the Eurasian plate. The plates collided. Sedimentary rocks were folded and formed Himalayas. They formed about 40 to 50 million years ago. Discover the major types of mountains in Pakistan. First number पे है Himalayas. It is located in the north of Pakistan and split into Pir Panjal, Zaskar and Ladakh ranges. It is source of important rivers like the Jhelum and Indus. Karakoram. It is located in the north of the Himalayas. Karakoram is covered with snow and glaciers. The Shyok River flows from this range. The Karakoram Highway passes through it. Hindu Kush. It is located in the west of Himalayas. It helps protect Pakistan from cold winds from Central Asia. क्वेश्चन है आपका डिस्क्राइब द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द हिमालयाज, कराकोरम एंड हिंदू कुश माउंटेन्स. These mountains are very important because they are covered with snow and the melting snow forms important rivers. They provide water for irrigation, drinking, industries, etc. They protect Pakistan from the cold winds coming from Central Asia. And they connect Pakistan with China and Central Asia through the Karakoram Highway. Their beautiful scenery attract tourists. Write the reasons for frequent earthquakes in Pakistan. Pakistan lies at the boundary of the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. These two plates move toward each other and collide. Their movement causes folding and faulting in the earth's crust. This movement causes frequent earthquakes. पाकिस्तान डेडलीस्ट अर्थक्वेक. पाकिस्तान में जो 2005 में ज़लज़ला आया था जिसके नतीजे में बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े पैमाने पर तबाही हुई थी, तो यहाँ पे उस बारे में बताया गया है. पाकिस्तान डेडलीस्ट अर्थक्वेक्स हैपन इन 2005. इट स्ट्रक आज़ाद जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. इट मेजर्स 7.6 ऑन द रेक्टर स्केल. About 79,000 people lost their lives. It caused great damage to buildings, roads and villages. Our next question है आपका differentiate between a plateau and a mountain. एक plateau और mountain में आपने फ़र्क बयान करना है. Plateau. Plateau is a raised flat area of land. Mountain is a high landform with steep slopes and a peak. Its top is flat. It has a pointed or rounded top. प्लेट्यूज़ के एग्जांपल्स हैं पोटोहार प्लेट्यू एंड बलूचिस्तान प्लेट्यू, जबकि माउंटेन की एग्जांपल्स हैं हिमालयाज, कराक्रम एंड हिंदुकुश. What is the largest and highest plateau in the world? The Tibetan Plateau, located in Central Asia, is the largest and highest plateau in the world. With an average elevation of around 4500 meters. मतलब इसकी जो एवरेज औसत इसकी जो ऊंचाई है वो 4500 मीटर्स है. इट इज़ समटाइम कॉल्ड द रूफ ऑफ द अर्थ. राइट द टू मेजर प्लेट्यूज ऑफ पाकिस्तान, पोटोहार प्लेट्यू एंड बलूचिस्तान प्लेट्यू. पोटोहार प्लेट्यू, इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन पंजाब. इट इज़ बाउंडेड बाय द रिवर जेहलम, रिवर इंडस, मारगला हिल्स एंड द साल्ट रेंज. Balochistan Plateau, it is located in the province of Balochistan. It lies in the west of the Suleiman Kathar ranges. Differentiate between V-shaped valleys and U-shaped valleys and their formation. V-shaped valley looks like the letter V. U-shaped valley looks like the letter U. V-shaped valley is formed by rivers and streams. U-shaped valley is formed by glaciers. V-shaped valley is narrow with steep sides. U-shaped valley has a wide flat floor with steep sides. V-shaped valley is also called a valley, and U-shaped it is also called a glacier valley. V-shaped valley is called a river valley and U-shaped valley is called a glacier valley. Examples of V-shaped valley, Chitral Valley, and U-shaped valleys found in mountains and Potohar regions. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका फॉर्मेशन ऑफ U-shaped valley and V-shaped valley. मतलब ये कैसे बनती हैं. A glacier moves downhill and erodes the valley floor and sides. Rivers and streams cut into the land. U-shaped valley, the valley looks like the letter U and the valley look like the letter V. Describe Rift Valley and explore where it is located. Rift Valley. A rift valley is a long, narrow, low land between two highlands. It is formed when the Earth's crust breaks along faults and the middle block sinks. Formation. Forces inside the Earth cause faulting. The central block of land moves downward between two faults. This creates Rift Valley with the steep sides. Location. The East African system in the East Africa. Identify some major valleys in Pakistan. In Chitral Valley, it is a V-shaped valley in KPK. It is famous for the world's highest polo ground. It is popular tourist place. Kahan Valley, it is located in KPK. It has glaciers, lakes, waterfalls and streams. It is famous for its natural beauty. It is a popular tourist place. Hanza Valley, it is located in Gilgit-Baltistan. It is famous for its natural beauty. It has a famous peak, Lady Finger. Murree, it is located in the Himalayas. It is about 30 km away from Islamabad. It has a famous hill station with cool weather. Bagrot Valley, it is located in Gilgit-Baltistan. Bagrot River flows through it. It is famous for fruits, glaciers and high mountains. Naran Valley, it is situated in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It is 2500 meters above sea level. It is one of Pakistan's most beautiful valleys. अब ये आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. राइट अ नोट ऑन द लाइफ स्टाइल्स ऑफ पीपल लिविंग इन माउंटेन्स, प्लेट्यूज एंड वैलीज. मतलब वो लोग जो माउंटेन्स, प्लेट्यूज या वैलीज में रहते हैं उनका लाइफ स्टाइल आप लोगों को बताना है. माउंटेन्स. पीपल इन माउंटेन्स ग्रो क्रॉप्स ऑन टेरेसेस, रेयर एनिमल्स एंड मेक हैंडीक्राफ्ट सच एज कारपेट, पोटरी एंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड क्लॉथेस. Heavy snowfall makes farming difficult in winter. They travel by jeeps and donkeys. Plateaus. People on plateaus grow crops like wheat and cotton where water is available. Many people work in mining, oil and gas industries because plateaus are rich in minerals. They use roads, railways, air travel and cars for transport. Valleys. People in valleys grow crops on fertile land, rear animals and enjoy a milder climate. Some people move to lower areas during very cold winters and return in summer. Transport is easier than in high mountains. What are terraces? Terraces are step-like fields made on mountain slopes to grow crops and prevent soil erosion.